Hi, baby. What do you want? What do you want?
Watermelon.
Huh?
Watermelon.
Okay, okay, mommy, get it for you. Sit down. Get down, get down. You like it? Is it good?
More watermelon.
What about if I give you mango? Is it good?
More watermelon.
What? What's so funny? Why are you smiling there? Be careful. JD! What's so funny? Silly boy. Let me see, open your mouth. Open. Okay. Why are you doing that? Huh?
More again.
More again? More again? What about mommy? When can mommy eat watermelon? I keep feeding you watermelon. Silly boy. I don't know. I don't know why you're doing that. What about mango?
Mango was good.
You like mango? Is it good?
Mango good.
Yeah? Is it sweet? Is mango sweet?
A watermelon.
What are we gonna eat later? If you eat everything now.
Mommy again.
Mommy again. Again what? You're funny. You know that?